Imagine a Paris where the river isn't just for looking, but for living.
The water is so clean, you can see right to the bottom. It feels like silk on your skin.
This is the Seine River today, a playground right in the heart of the city. History meets the future. The pollution is gone, replaced by laughter and life. How did we do it? We used smart sensors to track every drop of water, ensuring total purity. These beautiful structures aren't art. They are the lungs of the river, filtering the water 24/7.
Nature has returned. Fish that haven't been seen here for a century are back home.
Lunch break now means cooling off in the fresh current. It's the ultimate city escape. We rebuilt the underground veins of Paris. Old pipes were sealed, and new smart tunnels took over. It took science, effort, and a dream. But the result? A miracle we can all swim in. It starts at the bottom. Tiny, friendly robots work like gardeners, keeping the riverbed spotless. Above, a digital brain watches the water. It stops pollution before it even touches the river. But machines didn't do it alone. Thousands of Parisians planted water gardens to filter the rain. Now, the riverbanks are blooming. The air smells like a fresh meadow, right in the city. The old gray concrete is gone. The city is soft, green, and alive again. Even our walkways work for nature. These glass leaves catch the sun to power the cleaning pumps. When it rains, the streets drink the water like a sponge. No dirty runoff ever reaches the Seine. Grandma doesn't just sit on a bench anymore. She starts her morning with a swim. The river isn't a barrier dividing us. It's the blue heart pumping life into the city. No more dark, murky water. The river is now a crystal window into a hidden world. We reached the tipping point. The ecosystem is now self-sustaining. Nature has taken the wheel. Dawn breaks, and the river's oldest residents are back for breakfast. This is the new Parisian morning routine, finding balance on the water before the city wakes up.
Why take a bus when you can paddle? The river is now the city's most beautiful highway.
Schools have moved outside. Kids learn biology by swimming with the fish, not just reading about them. We reimagine travel. High-speed electric pods glide on the water, connecting the Louvre to the Eiffel Tower.
Arriving in style. The river connects us to culture, art, and each other.
Art has moved outdoors. The river itself is the canvas, reflecting the beauty we created. The data proves it. A cleaner river doesn't just help nature, it makes us happier and healthier. It's not just for us. Our best friends have their own designated swimming spots too.
Tiny wonders have returned. Insects that vanish in pollution are now thriving in the city heart.
Sunday picnics have changed. You can watch the underwater world while you eat your croissant. The office is wherever you want it to be. Fresh air fuels big ideas. The river gives back. Its gentle flow generates clean power for the streetlights above.
In this new Paris, the boundary between the city and nature has vanished.
Morning delivery. These vegetables were grown on floating barges right here on the river.
The river is our stadium now. Races that used to happen in chlorine pools now happen in the wild.
On hot days, the river acts like a giant air conditioner. Cool mist sprays make summer a breeze. Science calls it the blue belt effect. The clean river lowers the city's temperature by 5 degrees. The concrete jungle is gone. We replaced hard pavement with soft, breathing paths. Every wall is a home. We invited the forest back into the city, and it accepted. Knowledge flows here too. Libraries and schools float on the water, inspiring the next generation. We keep it pristine with help. Smart bots work silently so we can play loudly. The world is watching. Mayors from Tokyo to New York come here to learn our secret. It started in Paris, but the ripple is global. We are proving that any city can heal its heart.
Even fashion has changed. We harvest river algae to create sustainable, beautiful clothing.
At night, the river tells stories. Lasers on water bring history and nature to life.
A special guest has returned. The river otter is back, proving the ecosystem is perfectly balanced. Storms don't scare us anymore. The city drinks the rain, storing it for sunny days. This clean water flows all the way to the ocean. We are healing the planet, one river at a time.
The next generation will never know a dirty river. To them, this purity is normal.
Perfection down to the molecule. Science and nature working in total harmony. As evening falls, the river glows with life.
This isn't science fiction. This is simply nature allowed to take back its place among us.
Memories are being made here again. Simple joys that don't cost a penny, just a clean river.
We even unlocked the river's hidden power. Hydrogen from the water now fuels the city's buses.
Look down. The water is a busy highway for life, thriving right beneath your paddle. Culture flows with the current. We watch movies floating under the stars, rocked by gentle waves.
Artists have always loved Paris. But now, they have a new palette of blues and greens.
Take a deep breath. The river corridor acts as a fresh air tunnel for the whole city.
Commuting is no longer a chore. It's a moment of peace between home and work. We planted seeds of hope. And in just a few years, we harvested a miracle.
This isn't just about water. It's about love. Love for our city and love for our planet.
For her, a dirty river is just a history lesson. This purity is her reality.
The data is clear. Sustainability isn't a burden. It's the key to paradise. Paris has always been the city of light. Now, it is also the city of life.
Cheers to the visionaries.
Cheers to the dreamers! Cheers to Paris!
Welcome to the rebirth.